Welcome to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated to my latest notifications. Welcome all of you to my channel Competitive Exam Warriors. In today's lesson I'll be continuing with the country capital currency from where I've left in my previous video. So this will be part 2 of country capital currency if I am discussing the most important country's capital along with the official currency. And as usual it will be presented by me, the educator Shovik Maitra. My achievements you can find over here. If you are a new viewer you can have a look at all these things, otherwise you can definitely move forward. By the way, before moving forward, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't until now, please do it at the earliest. It comes free of cost, and also don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated to my latest videos. Next, since related to static GK, obviously my target audience will be any bank PO clerk. In fact, it's important for SSC, railways and insurance guys too. If you want to get a hold of the PDF of this particular video, you can get it from my Telegram channel. For that you need to join my Telegram channel, that is Learn with Shovik, where you'll be getting not only the PDF of this particular video but all the PDFs of my earlier videos. So now let's move forward and let's go straight to today's topic, that is the part 2. First, foremost, the country which I can see over here, in fact you can also see, that is South Korea. Its capital is Seoul, currency is won. Similarly, North Korea also has currency won, but its capital is Pyongyang. Recently there are tensions rising between South Korea and North Korea, and North Korea has cut all communication lines, all sorts of communication from South Korea. It has disconnected all the hotlines. Okay, so tensions rising between South and North Korea. Let's see what happens. Coming to next one, like Japan's currency is yen, capital is Tokyo. Russia's currency is ruble, capital is Moscow, its president is Vladimir Putin. Okay, and Japan's prime minister is Shinzo Abe. Thailand, its currency is baht, capital is Bangkok. Myanmar, if you see, its capital is Naypyidaw, currency is Kyat. Turkey in fact is also done good in respect to coronavirus. It has tested 27,000 per million, what I've heard of. It's really good amount of testing. Turkey's capital is Ankara, currency is lira. Switzerland, currency is Swiss franc, capital is Bern. Mozambique's capital is Maputo, currency is Mozambicum Metical. Ethiopia, currency is Bir, capital is Addis Ababa. Georgia, capital is Kutaisi, it's a rare one. Kutaisi, capital is Kutaisi, currency is Lari. Croatia's capital is Zagreb, currency is Croatian Kuna. Afghanistan's capital is Kabul, currency is Afghani. I think you must have heard of Afghani. It's in fact a popular dish also. Now moving forward, already I've discussed up to I think this point. So Albania, capital is Tirana and currency is Lake. Algeria, capital is Algiers, currency Algerian dinar. So this also comes under dinar family. Okay. Angola, Luanda, currency is euro. Armenia, Yerevan, currency is drum. Azerbaijan, quite a popular one, many times it is asked in exam also. Currency is manat, capital is Baku. The Bahamas, it has also come in exam many times. Capital is Nassau and currency is Bahamian dollar. Bangladesh, our neighboring country, peaceful neighboring country you can say, its capital is Dhaka, currency is Taka, and prime minister is Sheikh Hasina. Now moving forward, like Armenia, its capital is Yerevan, currency is drum. Azerbaijan, Baku, Manat, I think I already discussed with you. I have discussed till Bangladesh. Okay. So next, coming to Belarus, capital is Minsk and currency is Belarusian ruble. Next, like Bhutan, again another neighboring country. Bhutan, you can tell me its borders of India, the states which border Bhutan. You can write it in the comment section. Bhutan's capital is Thimphu, currency is Gultram. Bulgaria's capital is Sofia, currency Lev. Burundi's capital is Bujumbura, currency is Burundian franc. And Cambodia, capital is Phnom Penh, I think it's most pronounced this way, currency is Rial. And Cameroon, capital is Yaoundé, currency is Central African CFA franc. Comoros, capital is Moroni, Currency is Comorin franc. Democratic Republic of Congo, currency is Congolese franc, capital is Kinshasa. Costa Rica, capital is San Jose, currency is Costa Rican colon, as you can see over here. Next one, that is country which I am discussing over here, that is Cote d'Ivoire, is Ivory Coast, is capital is Yamoussoukro. West Africa CFA franc is currency. Djibouti, capital is Djibouti itself, currency is Djiboutian franc. Dominica, capital Roseau, currency Dominican peso. Ecuador, Quito, United States dollar. Eritrea, Asmara, Telero. Estonia, Tallinn euro. I think this I have discussed also before, this Tallinn one. Ethiopia, Addis Ababa birr. Gabon, Libreville, Central African CFA franc. Gambia, Banjul, Gambian dalasi is currency. Quite interesting one. This one many times comes in news, like Ghana, currency is CD, capital is Accra. Guatemala, Guatemala City, currency is Guatemala Quetzal. Guinea, capital is Conakry, currency is Guinean franc. Guyana, capital is Georgetown, currency is Guyanese dollar. Haiti, Port-au-Prince, currency is Haitian Gourde. Now moving forward, like already I have discussed with you many things. Next, coming to Honduras, capital is quite difficult to pronounce. Tegucigalpa, currency is Honduran Tempira. Hungary's capital is Budapest, currency is forint. Israel, its capital is Jerusalem, currency is new shekel. These are very important. Many times these are examples. Kazakhstan, Astana Tenge. Kyrgyzstan, capital Bishkek, currency is Som. Laos, Vietnam, currency Kip. Liberia, these have been asked many times. Liberia, Montevideo dollar. Macedonia, Skopje, Macedonian dinar. These are very important. Many times these have been asked in exams. Next, Madagascar, capital is Antananarivo, currency is Malagasy Aviary. Malaysia, very important, capital is Kuala Lumpur, currency is ringgit. Okay, so coming to most probably the penultimate side of this lesson, Laos, Liberia have discussed. In fact, you see Macedonia, Madagascar with all of you, Malaysia also. So remaining like Morocco, Rabat, Moroccan dirham. Nicaragua, Managua, Nicaraguan Cordoba. You can just remember this way: country, capital currency, country, capital currency. Nigeria, capital Abuja, currency Naira. Papua New Guinea, capital Port Moresby, and currency is Kina. Coming to the last slide of today's lesson. Hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and if you haven't liked till now, please like this video, share this with your friends as much as possible, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't until now. Now, if you have done, let's proceed. Paraguay, capital is Asuncion, currency is Guarani. Peru's capital is Lima, currency Nurva Sol. Poland, capital Warsaw, currency is Zloty. Romania, Bucharest, currency Romanian Leu. Rwanda, Kigali, currency franc. Sierra Leone, Freetown, Leone. South Africa, there are three capitals: Pretoria, Cape Town, Bloemfontein, and Western is the judiciary, and currency South African rand. Tajikistan, capital Dushanbe, currency Somoni. So coming to an end of this particular lesson, but before that one, there's another slide I forgot to mention over here. So let's discuss it also, like Turkmenistan, Ashgabat, currency Neumanat. Ukrainian Kiev, currency Ukrainian Hryvnia. United Arab Emirates, capital Abu Dhabi, currency UAE dirham. Uzbekistan, capital Tashkent, currency Uzbekistan Som. Venezuela, Caracas, currency is Bolivar Forte, very important. Many times it will be asked. Venezuela. Vietnam, Hanoi Dong, and Zambia, Lusaka, Zambia Kwacha. Vietnam has done tremendously well in containing coronavirus. You can watch out for the Vietnam model also. You can search in Google, and if you want, and if I get enough audience, I will make a special lesson dedicated to Vietnam model. How did they contain coronavirus? Okay, in fact, many of the countries who are exceeding China, they are taking into account Vietnam as their manufacturing hub. So Vietnam may emerge as what you can say manufacturing hub in near future. So coming to an end of this particular lesson, if you happen to like this lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends as much as possible, and if you got any query, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you with the list.